I'm your chief security officer, not a salesman. So before I recommend that you start buying things, I want to start protecting your company with the easy-to-use security features you already own if you're an Office 365 subscriber. And it's not going to cost you anything. And not like the won't cost you a thing kind of meeting where someone tries to sell you a timeshare at the end.
Right. It is by listing, not by property.
You can use these security features right now to eliminate thousands of threats. And all you have to do is turn them on. And it's all going to cost an additional $0 plus expenses, carry the 0 cents. Ha! There's nothing even on this clipboard. There are several security features in Office 365 that most organizations are leaving unused. And because neither of us have all day, I'll offer my carefully written blend of humor and confidence to quickly explain the big ones. Here are 7 ways to improve your security right now. First, check your organization's Secure Score. Think of it like a credit score for your security. Secure Score examines your Office 365 environment, notes areas where you're exposed to risk, and gives you personalized recommendations for what to do next. Next, set up multi-factor authentication. This is one of the most important things you can do to raise your security, and one of the easiest. 90% of passwords can be cracked in less than 6 hours. And 2/3 of your people are using the same password for everything at work and home. That's why 81% of breaches can be linked back to weak or stolen passwords. Multi-factor authentication will prevent 99.99% of identity attacks. But what about that 0.01%? That's probably elves. And there's obviously nothing you can do about elves. To fix it, you can easily set up Office 365's built-in multi-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of protection when anyone tries to access your company's data, even with a stolen password. Third, use the built-in mobile device management that's already included in Office 365. This will help protect phones and tablets by requiring a PIN number, and it gives you the ability to wipe devices that get lost or stolen. Fourth, create an account just for doing system admin tasks. If you're the system administrator, attackers are going to target you first. Instead, create a separate account with a separate password for admin functions. This admin account doesn't even require an Office 365 license. Number 5, since malware is hitting your network constantly, raise the level of protection by blocking attachments that carry suspicious file types. Number 6, with your data safely in the cloud, and since OneDrive for Business can restore files to a pre-attack state, what's a ransomware attack really going to do? Lock you out of Minesweeper until you cough up $3 million? No one needs to sweep mines that badly. Finally, turn off the ability for users to auto-forward email to outside accounts. If an attacker breaches an account, it's easy for them to redirect emails outside the network and wait for the right moment to attack.
Quick photo.
That's it. 7 things, 0 additional dollars, way better security. If you want to learn more about how to set up any of these 7 security features, check out some of the notes I prepared for you here.